do this. Bought a motorcycle. Did I mention it's electric? Did I mention it's electric? This is good for the, this is great for the environment. Zero maintenance, no oil changes, and I can charge it at work. This baby's actually gonna pay for itself. Oh, big guy, you're so brilliant. You're so smart. Okay. You have your shoes, I have my motorcycle. What's the difference? Don't even go there. All right. Why did I really buy it? Honestly, I bought this to cut down on commute time so that we could have more us time. I bought this for us. Oh, that's good. Yeah. I bought this for us.